Hey guys, welcome to Coin Time, and today we are going to be talking about how much would it cost to actually be able to create gold. Everything you see on this table is basically worth around $17,000 at $2,000 an ounce. Wouldn't it be great if I could just make gold or synthesize it and essentially just print money? Now, gold isn't just a molecule, it's actually an element on the periodic table. Specifically, it has a specific number of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Here on the atomic periodic table, you can see it at number 79, meaning it has 79 protons. If you look side to side, you'll see other elements that are more common, like mercury on top or tungsten below. If I could just add or subtract a few protons, that would fix it, right? Well, yes. But the problem is that mere chemistry won't do this. You actually have to possess a ton of energy, the same amount that would occur in an exploding star. And that simply just doesn't exist on Earth, except for in very small amounts, like in a particle accelerator. Scientists actually don't truly fully understand how gold was formed, but there is a consensus about the idea of how it was formed in neutron stars and supernovas. It's called the R process. When a star explodes, it creates a bunch of neutrons that are like free associated and not attached to anything, and they attach themselves to more common elements like iron, for example. And when the star explodes, all of those neutrons within a few seconds get bombarded into particular elements that create the heavy elements like gold and platinum and other ones. So they're all created in just a matter of seconds, and it creates a tremendous amount of energy, and those neutrons essentially, I think they decay into protons or something like that, and then you end up getting that 79 number for gold. Interestingly enough, gold is actually, there's 40 different variations of it. Only one of them is actually stable, gold 197. The rest of them only last from an hour to a year at the most. So you're just simply not going to see those in existence. So even if you are creating gold, it's still maybe not the right kind of gold and it won't last. So how much would it actually cost to make this whole supernova process happen on Earth with a particle accelerator? Well, interestingly enough, it actually has been done. We have actually created gold on Earth. However, it's a little bit more complicated. Nobel Prize-winning chemist Glenn T. Seaborg, famous for discovering plutonium and other elements, was actually able to transform bismuth into gold using a particle accelerator in 1980. He basically bombarded it with neon and carbon particles and was able to create just a few thousand atoms of gold. Glenn Seaborg actually said if he were to scale up this experiment, it would cost more than $1 quadrillion per ounce to produce gold by this experiment. So take into account inflation at $3.74 from 1980 to now, then you've got $3.74 quadrillion per ounce to produce gold. Gold's only worth $2,000 an ounce, and there's about 244,000 metric tons predicted to be in the Earth's crust. That's a total value of about $15.689 trillion. So yeah, that's quite a bit less than $3.74 quadrillion. Just to run the electricity on the Hadron Collider is a cool $23.5 million a year. So yeah, this is definitely not a sustainable, cost-friendly way to produce gold. So let's talk about how long this would take you. Seaborg said he created a few thousand elements or atoms of gold when he did this experiment. If he made 2,000 atoms a day of gold, how many atoms are in an ounce? 84 sextillion, 300 quintillion. So if you were doing 2,000 atoms a day, it would take you 42 quintillion, 115 quadrillion days. Or in years, that would be 115 quadrillion years, 383 trillion, 560 billion. If you broke that out into lifetimes, it would be about 1 quadrillion lifetimes, or 25 million Earth lifetimes. And the universe is only 13.7 billion years old. So basically what I'm saying is it would take you to the end of time to create 1 ounce of gold in a particle accelerator. So yeah, you're not going to be creating gold anytime soon. Next time you put gold in your hand, you can appreciate just how absolutely cosmically rare gold is as an element, and that it really can't be created on any scale that is meaningful to derive profit from. So that gold coin you have in your hand, or that little gram of gold, is truly a rare thing in this universe and something to be appreciated. So Thanks so much for watching. I hope you appreciated that. And next time you pick up your gold coin, let me know how it feels, knowing how rare it is. I'll see you guys next time. Be sure to like and subscribe if you liked the video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!